Immobiliser fit, and this is a Ghost 2 on a 2019 A-Class. So as we know, thieves are doing relay attacks on these keys, or they're breaking into your house to take the key. They try and start the vehicle up, it's just not going to fire up. As you can see, we'll try again, not going to start. So for the customer to start this with a Ghost, foot off the brake, tap the ignition until you get your lights on, then go through a code of their choosing. For the video, we've left it nice and simple at 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait for a double flash from the full beam. And now foot on the brake and hold the start button. The vehicle fires up and they can drive it. As you see, it goes into gear. System's completely disarmed. If they want to change the code, they can change it up to 21 presses in any order they choose on the supported buttons. Totally up to them what they pick. And we've got loads of videos on how to do that. This can also be put in service mode. So go to the driver's window, press it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Get 5 flashes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This totally disables the Ghost for when you're taking it back to service. So obviously while it's in Mercedes, they don't want to deal with a code. You don't want to deal with a headache of them calling you. So put it in service mode. System's completely switched off, so long as they don't go over 30 miles an hour for 15 minutes or more. When you get it back from them, to turn the system back on, just ignition on. Like before, pop your code in, 1, 2, 3, 4. Get your double flash. And now the system's back on. To get one of these installed, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. Protect your car against key cloning, relay attack. They're breaking into your house, take the key, they've got this on them. However they get it, pop in, try and start it. Not going to start without your code. Our number's 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.